Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is 12th of April and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency market from TradeHub, and me, leading analyst Mikhail. And we will start with the pair of euro-dollar. I think that the pair has completed its correction and we are for a long-term trend of a weakening of the dollar. That will allow us to see marks 1.40, 1.60 and possibly even higher. We will buy only after the formation of waves 1 and 2 in upward direction. As for the franc dollar, the situation is similar to the euro dollar. If you have not yet made sales after waves 1 and 2 in this zone, then it is better to wait for the formation of this large leading wave and 1 and 2 and only after that enter into long-term sales. As for the British pound, we are working out the second option, and I think that correction is not over yet and we will see a decline up to 1.35. For the Canadian dollar, I think that we received waves 1, 2 and 1, 2 of a smaller degree, so I expect the growth to continue. As for the dollar Japanese yen, I think that the growth is not finished yet, so I expect in near future to reach the marks of 112. For the Australian dollar, I am switching to this option, which implies a continuation of the correction, with targets around 0.75. Our forecast for WTI crude oil is working out perfectly. I think that the triangle is almost complete and we will see one more decline in oil prices, with targets around $52–54 per barrel. S&P index moves clearly according to our forecast. I think that globally growth is not over yet and corrections are just a reason to gain long positions. In the gold market, it is likely that a correction is completed and we now see a reversal. In this case we have waves 1 and 2 in upward direction, but I advise you to stay out of the market for now and wait for a more global upward impulse. And the last of the day, Bitcoin. Bitcoin perfectly fulfills our forecast. We have reached the zone we expected the week before. We successfully entered the purchases in this zone and now we are expecting continuation of growth. Broken down the descending channel and the retest of it, which also confirms the continuation of growth. Let me remind you that our targets are around $65–70,000 and even probably higher. That's all for today, thank you for your attention, I hope it was useful for you, see you!